Hi, I'm Patrick Tuttle, the real estate guy with Legacy Real Estate Services with FAQ Friday. Alright, so I'm back with the answer to, are open houses beneficial? And Nate, that's a fantastic question to ask right now. In years past, open houses were the way to sell homes because the internet wasn't quite what it was today, and people weren't looking up the properties on their phones on Zillow and Trulia and Realtor.com and looking at things. So people would have to go to open houses to see what's going on. Well, recently we've started doing more open houses, even on homes that have pending contracts, because many buyers still want to walk through the property, see how it feels, because you can't really feel it when you're looking at it online. And a lot of people like to smell it too, to find out, was there a smoker that lived there? Did they have pet odors in there? What does it smell like? So open houses can be beneficial. Now, one of the greatest reasons that we are doing it is because of the fallout rate. And that's the number of properties that have gone back on the market compared to the number of properties that have gone pending. And recently we've had as few as 20% of all contracts and as high as 36% of contracts falling out. So if you see us doing an open house on a property that says contract pending, and then on the bottom it says the market is hot, consider putting in a backup offer, it's because of that fallout rate, because we want that seller to get a new contract as quickly as possible. So yes, open houses are beneficial. Now, for the rest of you out there, if you've got questions for me for FAQ Friday, give me a call. 915-588-1850 is my cell number, and I'd be happy to visit with you either live on that, shoot me a text, or you can shoot me an email. Post comments here, wherever you're watching this online. I'd love to interact with you and see what we could do to be of service to you. For now, thanks for watching. God bless you. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.